Hello everyone. Here I will show you some hidden features with Google search. Open web browser. Open web google.com. Just search calculator, calculator will open. You can use the calculator for any math problem you want to solve. Or type your equation into the search box, the calculator will open with the result of the equation. Search currency converter. Currency converter tool will open. Get fast and easy calculator for converting one currency to another using the latest live exchange rates. Or just search currency, like USD to INR. Search for unit converter. Converter tool will open. You can convert temperature, length, mass, speed, volume, area, fuel consumption, time, and digital storage. Select unit what you want. Just search weather. It will show the current weather like precipitation, temperature, and wind. Google stopwatch. Stopwatch counts the time to the millisecond that passes after you click the start button. You can start the timer by going to the timer tab. Enter time and click start. Search color picker. You can select the color you want using the color code or by clicking on it. Search my IP. You will get the public IP address of the computer or device where you did the search. Search time now. You will get current time of your location. If you need time in any other location, just search time with location name. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.